Oh yeah, I'm brand new like you haven't unwrapped it. Head over heels, got bloggers doing backflips. Am where I am cause my fans are some practice. I could go for 90, bet the kid is match fit. Girls on my page writing Sammy is a bastard, thinking that they special but got treated like the last chick. Knowing that my fan base stretches like elastic, jaw dropping beats like it's better than the last shit. But still, I'm in the paint by the basket. This that one take, new flow, straight classic. Yeah, I see the truth shining bright if you look close. Rappers dropping names, forgot to add the footnotes. In all honesty, hating's not a part of me. Respect's in my blood, I don't need a bibliography. I show love cause that's what I've always dug. If your ass ain't got a shovel, get the fuck out of the mud. A sandbox, I'm Smalls first time on a sand lot. Trying to learn the rules, maybe give myself a damn shot. Yeah, I'm hitting veins you could've never drawn. Pumping blood, no rubber bands around the arm. But looking back when I started as a critic's young, to making hits with a grin as the crowd applauds. Pause, I'm digging deeper with my gritty paws, trying to get it poppin' with a presence, no Santa Claus. Yeah, and I'm the spitter who defies the laws, bringing the heat unexpected like some menopause. I never thought that one of my songs would spread quick on 1,000 different iPods. Yeah, I'm human and I got benign flaws, grubbing with the competition, chilling up in my jaws. Thinking in my mind how to right my wrongs, turning all this change into ends that define long. Cut it out, I wasn't talking about a beat though, aiming to make them get the point like a free throw. Tell my girl to please recline my seat slow, knowing that I'm colder than the bottom of a ski pole. And if it's snowing in the city, I'm getting blown, with a couple bitches down the ride where he goes. Late night in the jacuzzi with the same hoes, catching brains puffing on a Monte Cristo. I'm back on my spitter shit, back on my spitter shit. Yeah, you know I'm back on my spitter shit, back